Zotero versus Readwise versus Instapaper. Which reading material management tool is better? Zotero, Readwise, and Instapaper all help manage reading material but in different ways. Zotero is a free reference manager and it lets you collect, organize, and cite research sources. Ideal for academics, it supports PDF annotation, browser saving, and citation export, but it's not designed for casual reading or mobile highlights. Readwise focuses on knowledge retention. It syncs highlights from Kindle, web articles, and PDFs, then resurfaces them using spaced repetition. It's great for learners and readers who want to actually remember what they read, but it's not built for citations or deep research. Instapaper is a minimalist read it later app. Save articles, read them offline, and highlight text. It's perfect for casual reading and idea capture, but it lacks citation tools and deep knowledge tracking. So which one is better? For academic research, Zotero is best. For learning and retention, go with Readwise. For clean, distraction-free reading, choose Instapaper. Thanks for watching.